Hello, my name's Rory Mayer and I'm the new chair of Citizens Advice Scotland. First of all, I want to thank you for showing an interest in applying for the role of Chief Executive in our organisation. There's a lot of information on this microsite and I hope you'll use it and find it useful as you consider putting your application in. There's just a couple of points I want to emphasise which I hope you'll find useful. First thing to say is this is a very exciting time for Citizens Advice Scotland. We have recently gone through a thorough and far-reaching review of our governance and new trustees have been appointed. I'll be working with those trustees to form a board that is skilled, strong and supportive and will provide the new Chief Executive with a very stable platform on which to build and drive our organisation forward. As you'll be aware, Scotland is going through a time of uncertainty, change and austerity, and this affects all our public services and it provides very challenging conditions for Citizens Advice as an organisation. More importantly, however, though, it provides difficult circumstances for our citizens. And already 300,000 of those citizens every year turn to the Citizens Advice Bureau, supported by Citizens Advice Scotland, in order to find their way through some of the difficulties they encounter. We think the current circumstances will put more pressure on those citizens and we need to make sure that Citizens Advice Scotland and the Bureau is the place they turn to as the first port of call when they need strong, independent, high quality advice. And we need you as Chief Executive to develop our organisation so that that remains the case. This is a challenging and complex role and will undoubtedly test your energy and skills. Wherever you've worked in the past, we need you to be able to demonstrate an understanding and willingness to work in the not-for-profit and public sectors. We also need you to show that you understand how you should work in a networked organisation where each part of the network is an independent body in its own right. Above all, you need to be focused on outcomes and you need to be able to deliver the outcomes that the board want. And you have to have the skill, determination and leadership to drive the organisation forward. The staff of CAS deserve very high quality management and you have to show that you have the ability to deliver that to them in order that you can support their work. As I said before, this is going to be a complex and challenging role, but the opportunity to help citizens in times of difficulty should provide all the reward that you want. I look forward to receiving your application.